on the never-ending quest for an avatar creator. Because I would like to use them for my talking head videos because I don't like to get on camera because I like to move my hands around while I talk. I'd rather feed it a script and let it talk for me. So do all that weird stuff. This just popped up on my radar. HeyGen in one of my AI groups. Thought I'd give it a try because the video I did see that somebody else created looked really interesting. So I wanted to try.
Avatar 4 allows you to turn a single photo and scripts into a talking video with full body and background motion. First, upload your photo. Next, type out your script. Now watch Avatar 4 bring it to life with lifelike lip sync and natural head movements.
Today I'm sharing my top secrets for glowing skin.
I don't need an umbrella. I just need to move forward.
All this time I thought you'd catch up. Turns out I was waiting at the wrong station.
Come on, let's see what's waiting for us next.
Avatar 4 generates realistic expressions and gestures that match your script, all from just a single image. And unlike other models, it can handle side angles and partially covered faces. This is the power of Avatar 4. Avatar allows you to
see today whether this is true or not, because I always have problems with the photo to video, photo to avatar things. They never work, or they make me look like a totally different person. And I'm gonna try one. Let me upload a photo. One of my headshots, yeah. I think it's one of my headshots. Yes. Hey. Hey. Let's try. Or I can record audio. Let's see. All right, that one is sight. Yeah. All right, ready? We're ready. Sunday, it's been very quiet, and I think done a little more today. I was trying to code, but I kept getting distracted. So, let's see. Let's try that. Describe the gestures and facial expressions you want. Smiles and smirks. That's me in a nutshell. All right, let's try it. It's this. I wonder how long that's going to take. All right, so we'll just. Okay, I'm back. So I had to apply the upload process. Let's see what we got. So this is the video. We're going to just check it out. So today's Sunday. It's very quiet. And I think I was trying to code, but I kept getting distracted. Not bad. I kind of like it. Didn't pop like as much as I do, and smirk, but let's make it bigger. Making me look all wrinkled and stuff. I don't got that many wrinkles. So I'm just saying. Anyway, and I think that I was trying to code, but I kept getting distracted. I don't think it's bad. I mean, it didn't take that long to process either. I think I paused for maybe a couple minutes, even without paying for the upgrade. It did it pretty fast. I mean, these AI tools are getting better and better and better, man. I like this one. I can't wait to kind of explore it. Let's see. We'll see what other features they have. So we go home. They got interactive AI. I guess I can see that of some sort. Avatar. I mean, I just used the photo to video, which is pretty good for me. I felt like and cut it up and chop it up for YouTube. I think in here that's pretty good. PowerPoint to video. Let's see what the pricing is. I didn't even look. So just for the free one, you can do. Let's see. So let me see what the subscription model is. I don't know if I can get there. Subscription. You can upgrade to creator. Let's see. I think I'm still trying to get to the pricing. Upgrade to creator. Okay, so this is so $24 a month. Just one person. If you have a team, $30 a month, and you have to pay for 2 seats. So $30 per seat per month. That's not bad. I mean, 20 for Loom just to record videos. I wonder if, let's go back to this. This is mostly just around, so I can, yeah, I mean, anesthesia, it probably has a little bit less features, but that one thing with just the quick avatar was really good. That's the best I've seen so far. They have a lot of integrations. So integrate HeyGen. That's good because I'm always in Canva, like I told you guys before. I don't know. I'll play around with it. I think it's a cool tool. Basically, if you want to start doing that, and the person I saw that posted this was sharing just a video on LinkedIn, and presenting that she was talking about a topic, and I was like, looked pretty good. I want to try it, so I like this. Thumbs up for me.